In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to Outlook email. Whether you're highlighting a quick demo, adding a touch of personality, or drawing attention to an announcement, a well-placed GIF can make your message more engaging and easier to understand. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few helpful notes along the way so everything looks and plays the way you expect. Start by opening Outlook. This can be the desktop app on Windows or Mac, or Outlook on the web in your browser. Once Outlook is open, create a new message by selecting New Email or New Message. That opens a blank compose window with the to, subject and message body areas ready to go. Click directly inside the body of the email where you want the GIF to appear. This places the cursor at that exact spot, which tells Outlook where to put the image. If you plan to write text above or below the animation, think about the flow now so the GIF doesn't interrupt your formatting later. Next, go to Insert and choose Pictures. In the desktop app, you'll find this on the ribbon at the top. Select Pictures, then pick the option that lets you choose a file from your computer. In Outlook on the web, use the Insert menu and select Pictures in line. Both lead to the same result, inserting an image directly into the body of your email, not as a separate attachment. Browse to the GIF file on your device. Look for the GIF extension to be sure you've selected an animated image. If you have multiple versions, pick the one that balances quality and file size. Smaller files load faster and are kinder to your recipients' inboxes. When you've highlighted the right file, confirm your choice. Click Insert. Outlook will place the GIF right where your cursor was and display it in line. In most modern versions of Outlook and many email clients, the animation will play automatically when the message is viewed. If you're composing and don't immediately see it moving, don't worry. Some compose windows preview it as a still image, but the animation appears for your recipients when they open the email. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, start a new message, click in the body, go to Insert, choose Pictures, select your GIF and insert. Keep in mind that some organizations or older email apps may show static images instead of animations. To ensure a smooth experience for everyone, choose clear visuals, keep the file size modest, and position the GIF where it supports your message best. With these steps, your emails will be more dynamic and memorable.